Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I will show you how we can adjust your quick launch option, so how we can activate, deactivate or customize. At first we have to open the settings. Next we have to move for other advanced features, and when we are here we have to tap on side key. And when we are here we can also deactivate this option by tapping on the switcher, and right now we get rid of that, and when we double press power key we can only lock our smartphone. But if we activate this option and double press power key, we will get the quick launch of our camera. We can also adjust this option, so when you switch to open application, you will be able to choose app that you want to open. For example, we can go for maybe for gallery and take a look right now. Right now gallery will be opened. So that's how it looks in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.